Hi guys, welcome back. This is close to the city of Phan Thiet, and this beach is called Bikini Beach. Look at that. Bikini Beach. Look at that. See, that's the beach over there, and they have a pinky garden here, and then that's the circus land over there where there are many fun games. And then this way, this one is this is the sign of Bikini Beach for the NovaWorld. So this is the beach, guys. So here, wow, look at that. I'm gonna show you. Look how beautiful the pinky garden, Phan Thiet. Wow. It's all pink. Now let's go to the beach. Just translate this, guys, because we will not understand. Okay, so this is the beach. This is Bikini Beach. Look, they have funny what's this? Funny bikini statue here. Look at that. And then this one, and the sand here is brown, golden brown. Look at this. Okay, the sun is so hot. Okay, next this. They are building something here. Don't know what, but they are building. Okay, so this another statue. Look, maybe this is for party. Oh, they are so fat. That's sexy. read the sign here, because look, they are building something here. They put white chair, sun chair, sun beds, chair. Maybe. Let's check. I think this is restaurant. Maybe. Looks like. What? Oh. Let's go to the ocean and wash my feet and my Crocs. Brown. That's because of the sand. Okay, so what is this? Swimming is not allowed. No swimming. No swimming. So no swimming, danger. And then warning, they have jellyfish. Ooh. So that castle over there, it looks like a castle. And so this is Bikini Beach. Wait, let us wash. Let me just wash my. I think we have to go back now, but guys, this is Bikini Beach here in Phan Thiet. She's cleaning the beach. That girl over there. Let's go back to the road. Maybe they prepared this for holidays. Yeah, because they have big holidays here and people came here mostly on the beach. They don't really have not this time, they don't have water sports yet. But they have this. I think that's for boats. Okay. So that's it. That's the long walk of Bikini Beach from there goes there. And then they have